Neornithes, the subclass encompassing all modern birds, is a highly diverse group characterized by several key features. 1. Defining characteristics. Neornithes are distinguished by their toothless beaked jaws, a feature that sets them apart from their extinct ancestors. They possess feathers, which are crucial for insulation, flight, and display. Their forelimbs are modified into wings, facilitating flight in most species, although adaptations vary significantly across different bird groups. They also have a high metabolic rate, a 4-chambered heart, and a strong yet lightweight skeleton, all contributing to their active lifestyle. Finally, they lay hard-shelled eggs. 2. Evolutionary history and diversification. Neornithes are believed to have evolved in the late Cretaceous or between the early and late Cretaceous periods, around 100 million years ago. They underwent a significant diversification following the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event, leading to the vast array of bird species we see today. This diversification resulted in a wide range of adaptations to various ecological niches. 3. Classification and diversity. The subclass Neornithes is incredibly diverse, with an estimated 10,000 living species. These are further classified into various orders, families, and genera, reflecting the complex evolutionary relationships within the group. Passerines, or perching birds, represent more than half of all living bird species. Other notable groups include ratites, flightless birds like ostriches and emus, waterfowl, birds of prey, and many others. The classification and taxonomy of Neornithes are continually being refined as new data emerges. In conclusion, Neornithes represents a remarkably successful and diverse group of vertebrates, exhibiting a wide range of adaptations and ecological roles. Their evolutionary history and ongoing diversification continue to be active areas of research in evolutionary biology.